Let's go back for a moment. 17th century Netherlands. Soft light, carefully arranged lives. Paintings hiding little secrets, where even a single detail could change everything. Think this is just a quiet, cozy moment? Nope. Behind Vermeer's girl reading a letter at an open window lurked a secret. One bold, mischievous Cupid making a statement hidden for centuries. Between 2017 and 2021, Dresden experts scanned the painting with X-rays and infrared. Slowly, a nude Cupid appeared, stepping over two theatre masks. Bold, cheeky, can't miss. And yet, someone likely in the 18th century decided he was too daring and painted him out. But why? What was Cupid really trying to say? Remember the masks under his feet? Symbols of deception, yet a hint of honesty, revealing love's power to expose truth. And the bow with the arrows? Cupid's way of saying that real love doesn't tiptoe. It hits, reveals, and refuses to stay hidden. When Cupid vanished, so did the message, leaving the scene emotionally mute. Vermeer's women rarely speak, but their silence tells volumes. In the Dutch Golden Age, domestic scenes weren't just pretty snapshots. They were moral stories. Women were expected to embody virtue, discipline, and quiet order. Steady, controlled, loyal, not ruled by passion. This girl looks calm, yet her reflection hints at awareness. Look closer. The overturned fruit, the flushed cheeks, the dimming light. Is she reading a letter of love or heartbreak? Vermeer captures that fragile moment when illusion cracks and truth sneaks in. As restorers worked on the painting, ultramarine blues, soft skin tones, and crisp window reflections returned, along with the emotions Vermeer had tucked into every brushstroke. You could almost feel them tickle your cheek. When Cupid reappeared, the whole scene shifted. Light, mood, meaning. Honesty, even when uncomfortable, keeps love real. So why was Cupid covered? Well, maybe because truth can be awkward. Maybe because hiding what unsettles us is convenient. But what we hide doesn't disappear. It waits for the light. And so, what secrets linger just out of sight, waiting for the curious to uncover them? Join Art Killer, where art's mysteries meet science, history, and imagination.